Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting octic equation. X to the power of 8 is equal to x to the power of 5. And here we're going to find all x values. So let's get started. From the left hand side here we have x to the power of 8. Then we need to subtract the x to the power of 5 and then set this equals 0. From this left hand side, now we know that 8 is same as 5 plus 3, right? Then minus x to the power of 5, then this is equal to 0. Now let us recall, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So here this will become x to the power of 5 multiplied by x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 5. This will be equal to 0. We can see that x to the power of 5 is common, so let's factor it out, and here we get x to the power of 3 minus 1, and the whole of this is equal to 0. So from here, this implies that either x to the power of 5 is equal to 0 or x to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So over here, take the fifth root of both sides, we get x is equal to 0. Mind you, this 0 repeated 5 good times, right? And for here, we're going to make use of the difference of two cubes formula, since we know 1 can be rewritten as 1 cubed, right? So here comes the formula. We have that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Using this difference of two cubes formula, this equation will become x minus 1 multiplied by x squared minus plus x times 1 is x plus 1 squared, which is 1, and this is equal to 0. Again, this implies from here either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or the quadratic expression in the bracket x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Add 1 to both sides, we get x is equal to 1, and this is a solution. And here we solve using the general quadratic formula. We get negative b, which is negative 1 plus or minus. The square root of b squared is 1 squared, which is 1 minus 4ac, 4 times 1, which is 4. Then everything will be divided by 2. Here we get x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus. Inside this radical we have negative 3. So the square root of negative 3 we have here, then divided by 2. Here we get x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus. Square root of negative 1 is I. Then root 3, then divided by 2. So here we come up with the solutions. We have only this resolution, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. But remember that 0 repeated 5 good times, right? Then, for the complex solutions, we have x is equal to negative 1 plus iota root of 3 divided by 2, and also x is equal to negative 1 minus iota root of 3 divided by 2. Here we have the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.